Line trace. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open up wherever you want to do your line trace. In this instance, we're doing it in the first person character. And then what we're going to need to come off an input event. So drag out and type line trace by channel. And then we're going to need a start and an endpoint. So drag in your first person camera, get the world location, and then plug that into the start. Then drag off the first person camera again, and then get the forward vector. Now we're going to need to drag out of here and get a vector times a float. The float amount you put in will be the distance of the trace, or the length of the trace. And then we need to plus that with the other vector, and that will give us our end location. Now turn debug for duration, and then let's give that a quick test. There we go, bada bing. We have our line trace, but we've got a problem. The hood crosshair is not lining up, so all we need to do is go into the hood in the player blueprint and remove that, and then our line trace lines up nicely. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to add a print string. So drag out from the actor hit, and then type display name or get display name, and then drag out a print string, plug that in, and then whenever we hit something, we will display its name. And there you have it, line trace in 2 minutes, under 2 minutes. See you in the next one.